Are you having problems with your Monopoly Go freezing on your iPhone? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to actually explain to you exactly how to fix this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to fix this issue, just so you know. So actually I had this a couple of days before. I had like my Monopoly Go kept freezing every time I actually tried to open it, and I think I know the solution to this problem. And I've done some research, and most cases why this happened is because there's something wrong right now with the Monopoly Go servers. So unfortunately, sometimes Monopoly Go has some problems with their servers or anything else that is actually wrong with their app, and that is why it's freezing. That is why you're not able to actually do anything, and your Monopoly Go just freezes when you open the app. So most likely it will be this case. But if you want to try any other thing to be able to try to fix this, if it's coming from your end, then of course you can do so. And the first way you can actually try to fix this is to check if you have like basically data or you're connected to Wi-Fi, because you need to actually have internet connection to be able to run this game. You're not able to run this game offline, just so you know. So double check if you actually have strong internet or at least decent internet connection to be able to play this. And if you're not connected to internet, well then that is the issue. Then you can just connect, and then this should actually be able to fix this issue for you as well. And if that still doesn't work and you want to try to fix this on your own, well then what you can do as well, like the last step, is to basically just restart your iPhone. Just turn it off and restart it once again, and then check if this fixes your issue. So hopefully this will actually fix this problem for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.